morning, Bristol Assembly Hall.
Hello, brother. How are you?
Not too bad. How are you?
I've got some good news for you. Well, maybe not. I don't know. It depends how you view it. I called the Argentina branch yesterday, and before that, I called the Australia branch in where's it called? Oh, just the scripture. Proverbs 18 verse 13. Do you know what it says?
Not off the top of my head.
Spouting off before hearing the facts is both shameful and foolish. So it's just a few facts I just want to point out. But I called the Australia branch, I think it was about 2 days ago. And basically what happened was 2 hours later, I looked out my bedroom window and there was a supernatural light in the clouds, really bright, with an apparition of some kind of mysterious angel in the bottom, right? And it's on my YouTube channel, Jehovah'S. It actually tells you who I am. And there's so much material, so much HACCHE, Jehovah'S. I encourage you to look at it, the elders. Basically, what happened was, well, the truth is, I was wrongly disfellowshipped in 2010 on the 2nd of June, which was my wedding anniversary. My wife had been separated from me. I begged her to go back, but she wouldn't let me. And unfortunately, I have needs. And I committed adultery, which I know was wrong with my next door neighbour. Anyway, I confessed in front of the elders, Simon Eshelby and Baz Gilderdale. And my wife raised her eyes to the heavens and says, "Thank you, Jehovah," as though she wanted out of it. So on the Saturday, she went down on the Monday down to the solicitors and I got divorced October 2011. Anyway, what happened was I was sitting at the back one day and I wanted to speak to one of the elders about something. So I asked one of the brothers, can I speak to the elder? And John Dunlop came up to me. He said, I've just got to get another elder. He got Paul Tucker. We went into the back room. Do you have blinds in your back room, like with tall windows?
Sorry, brother, can I just stop you there?
Yeah.
Is there a question you want to ask?
Yeah, I just want to tell you this. Listen to the facts. We was talking in the back room no more than 5 minutes, and you could hear the hum of the 80 brothers and sisters in the hall, right? And basically, it suddenly stopped. I said, John, why is it stopped? I went out, and all the brothers and sisters had disappeared. The elders didn't know what to say. Right? I have supernatural things happen every day. Malachi chapter 3 verse 5. I will send my prophet Elijah before the great and fear-inspiring day of Jehovah. I'm Elijah. It's not the Elijah class and the anointed. It never was. Jehovah's bringing back his best prophet. And look on my YouTube channel. It's all there, the evidence. I've got it coming. I haven't even finished. I haven't got warmed up yet. And also, Revelation 21 in the Message Bible, I heard a voice from the throne say, look, God has moved into the neighbourhood, making his name home with men and women. They're his people. He's their God. Isaiah chapter 30 was your day's yearly text. Verse 20, though Jehovah will give you bread in the form of distress and water in the form of oppression, your grand instructor will no longer hide himself. And your grand instructor, Jehovah God, you will see him with your own eyes. So who do you say I'm, brother? Or does God not have the power to come down to earth and set up his kingdom on earth with his son Joshua, which means Jehovah's salvation? Jesus means Jehovah's salvation. Look at my YouTube channel, Jehovah'S, HACCHE, and you'll see the Turin shroud with Joshua's picture superimposed, and it's identical. And the Turin shroud was 5'10", and my son is 5'10".
Thank you for your
Why? Because you're scared, aren't you? Like the rest of... They shut down the branch offices yesterday, you know.
Okay, well, have a good day.
I'm Jehovah. Spread it round. Look at my YouTube channel.